my god. Why are your sisters like watching?
Okay.
The cinnamon challenge.
Yeah, the cinnamon challenge. We are gonna try to swallow the cinnamon without choking and dying. Oh wow! No, Wait.
Yeah. This is Michelle's first time doing it. I've done it before, but
She got cinnamon.
Okay. Ready?
Wait.
What?
I gotta stop laughing, man.
Okay. Okay, not.
Hold on.
Cinnamon on Nutella.
Oh my god. Okay.
You ready? Oh my
Michelle,
god.
this is payback when you tried jumping off the cliff.
Okay.
Freaking go drink something, you asses. What the hell? Why are you taking this? Sit down.
I got payback! I got payback! Told you were gonna regret jumping off that cliff. I got payback.
Oh my god. Woo.
Stupid.
Oh.
You got a videotape it? Are you serious? Really?
Oh my god.
I told you guys not to do that, dumbass.
Oh my god! Ew! How do you see all that? Oh!
You're retard.
Oh my god.
Oh, my mouth is
Graham,
burning.
this is what you did to my arm.
Oh my god. Ah.
That thing sticks up in your mouth and you put it in your bag.
Oh. I need a napkin or something.
You.
My mouth burns. Oh. Oh.
Oh hell. Oh my god. Hope you're
That you are stupid.
Oh my god. Here, take this. I need it.
Never again. I feel like I'm dying.
Oh.
Let me see it.
No.
You guys took pictures of that? Seriously?
Yeah, look at
No, a video.
Mm.
I don't think you guys need to do it on my
this. You're crying.
Oh. My mouth burns so bad.
Your mouth burns? I feel like I was gonna die. I was gagging.
Oh,
Oh my god.
where's my phone?
I'm gonna clean this
Oh
up.
my god.
I'm glad I said those two are stupid.
That's nasty. Look at that.
You can't breathe.
Oh my god. Ah, yuck, it's like stuck in my throat. Mm. Oh my god. You see how watery my eyes got? I spit all over her hand.
Yeah.